I have an awkward question. He's struggling. So, next question.
Oh, you just got out.
Chingu, ahorita está pasando algo raro. Está pasando una situación que no tiene sentido que me habló. Que hará una pequeña entrevista para los actores de DUNE. Si no sabes esta película, por favor, aquí lo pongo, que es... ¿Les explico un poquito de la película? Paul se une a Chani y a los Freemen mientras busca venganza contra los conspiradores que destruyeron a su familia, enfrentando a su elección entre el amor de su vida y el destino del universo. Y también, si no saben los actores que van a salir en DUNE 2, les pongo quién es, quiénes son. Déjame ponerme guapa y vamos para la entrevista. Vamos. So nice to meet you.
You too.
I am Sujin Kim or Chingu amiga. I'm really honored to be here. Thank you for your time. So let's get started. So let's think if our characters popped over to Earth.
To come to planet Earth?
Yeah, they are here now.
Oh, wow.
I think first Chani would be really fascinated to see an ocean. And
sure.
see, yeah, I think that's something that Paul describes to her, and she just is like, I don't believe you.
I love that.
That's not a real thing, you know. So I think it would probably be a very exciting experience. I don't know if she, you know, I think she can survive anywhere, but it would be beautiful to see her experience somewhere else. Yeah.
I think sadly probably Princess Irulan has seen like most settings. So I think she probably would be like
Jaded.
kind of prepared. She'd kind of be prepared. I think her love of tea and chatting she'd suit London very, very, very quickly. She'd love that.
I don't know, somewhere where he could get a suntan. He'd probably be on a beach somewhere as well, just to get a suntan.
So next question.
Oh, you just got out.
Yeah, he's struggling. What do you think would be the most shocking to them about Earth?
Okay. What would be most shocking about Earth? Good question. I mean, okay, here's a good one. Paul Atreides would be most shocked to see himself in a video game and people running around using him as a character. I think he'd be disturbed. He'd be disturbed.
My boyfriend loves this game.
Really? Really?
I think she'd probably be most shocked about not probably being able to wear her chainmail outfits as much. Like that would definitely probably not be the easiest of clothing to wear around Earth. She'd probably be very disappointed in that.
We're also thinking that they're going back in time too.
Yeah.
Because they're
spaceships. They don't have spaceships anymore.
Yeah, because I believe, you know, Dune is after the AI battle. So it's like that. This would be they would be like, oh no, you still have that.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
We don't want that. The Vision Pro would freak them out.
Yeah.
I have an awkward question to Timothe and Zendaya. To kiss.
Awkward?
Awkward.
Oh yeah.
Was it hard to kiss with the breathing on your nose?
The answer to that would be that it was very early or late at like right when the sun was in a perfect spot.
Okay.
So we were so focused on making sure that we had the shot and that we were giving Denny exactly what he needed, that like we were just like, all right, let's do this, you know what I mean? And the last thing I think you're thinking about is like this little, you get used to
The
it.
nose thing you get used to.
Yeah, you kind of get used to
forget about it.
feeling it all the time. So
Yeah.
it's like,
Was it painful?
no, it's just like you just kind of just
something.
there. Yeah, it's just a
You
little.
get strangely used to it.
Yeah.
And I found my nose running more at the beginning of the shoot and I put it in. And by the end, I built up a
Adapted
little-
to it,
I
yeah.
adapted to my nose. Actually, I put it on now. On my leg, yeah. Oh yeah, I got one in my ear.
Really?
No. No, these pockets are empty.
It's a joke. Let me see if you guys can get it. Do you know what is the traditional food of the Freemen?
Other than like spice?
Other than spice?
Or things with spice in it?
In it?
It's sandwich.
Ah.
Sorry, thank you so much for your time. It was an honor. Thank you so much. Y terminando pudimos tomar foto, me despidieron bien bonito.
May thy knife chip and shatter.
Duna parte 2.
Chingu, todo eso pasó ayer, todavía no me lo creo lo que pasó. Mi única ahorita lamento, tuve muy poco tiempo para poder preparar. Hice todo lo que pueda, pero ahorita veo que estaba yo muy nerviosa. Pero ya, un honor por tener esta oportunidad, estoy muy feliz. La única cosa, y estoy lamentando mucho así, muriendo, ¿por qué no abracé a Timothe al final en la foto? ¿Qué? ¿Qué hice? Ay, no pude abrazar. Me salió coreana. ¿Por qué en ese momento me salí coreana? No abracé a nadie. Te amo, Timothe. Espero que puedo verlos un día más en mi vida, amigo. Los amo, bye. Espero que les guste. ¡A mí sí!